Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. Today I've got the Aoocci C6 Smart Riding System. Now what that consists of is a 6.25-inch display, two cameras, both are high def for front and rear recording, and you've got tire pressure monitors, and of course the display itself displays Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So it's one of the all-in-one systems which usually are quite good to have, because if you're wanting all these separate bits, likes of, dash cams, and you want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or whatever, and maybe your bike doesn't have tire pressure monitors, this will give you everything all in one go. So what I'm going to do now is just get the box open, because I haven't even looked in it myself yet. So we'll get that open and see what that consists of, what it looks like. Right, so this is the box itself. As I said, I haven't actually opened this yet, so we'll see what's inside it. Okay. So this is the display itself. It's not bad. It's actually quite big looking. I think it's got quite a large bezel around it as well. And that's the wiring coming out the back of it. Right. So we've got that. So that's the power lead. Okay. So it's got a power box. Now this is interesting because it doesn't have a yellow accessory lead to switch the power on and off, with the ignition. So it's just got a positive and a negative terminal, but it does have this little box, which I think might be acting as, a regulator for it, and just switching the power off and on as the signal comes from this end. So we'll see that in practice anyway, but I'm not 100% sure on that, but we'll see. Right, this is the remote control, which is quite a big unit, and it's got a screw mount for that one. Right, that's one of the mounts. I think that might be for that one there, for the remote. It's one of the cameras. So that's camera one. Right, it's a USB lead, power lead, I think, by the looks of it. That's mounts for the camera. And that's the leads for the cameras. And that's one of the, well, that's the mount for the unit itself, I think. Second camera. This looks like a mount for the back of the unit. So it's got a ball mount. And these are the tire pressure monitors. Yep. I have no idea what this mount is. I'll figure that out. Wonder if it goes on this somehow. Okay. Possibly, but this other mount is the one that will go onto here, I think. So this will fit on here with the ball mount. Right, so there's a 64 gig micro SD card with it. So that comes with it, which is good. So that will record the cameras and everything. So that's handy to have. And that's the instruction manual. And yeah, it's got some QR codes in there and stuff, probably with videos. But yeah, so that's what the kit looks like itself. That's what the unit looks like. It's not a bad looking unit. I mean, we'll need to see what the display is like once I fire it up and get it going. But yeah, so that's the kit itself. So next is, I'll get it installed in the bike. There's a few things I want to do, because the splash screen on this can also be updated. So I've got some files ready for that, so I'll be changing that as well. So I'll show you guys how to do that. And also on the forum at smartwritinggadgets.com, we have created an Aoocci section, and we have some splash screens already made up, ready to use for this unit.